How to withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App. If you want to withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch Cash App, because first we have to copy our Cash App's wallet address. Open up Cash App and go to the option called Deposit Bitcoin and select View Bitcoin Address. Once done, you will see your address here where you just have to copy your Bitcoin address. Once you've copied your address, on the next page, now you open up crypto.com app. Once you open crypto.com app, you go to the trade option. Here you can see deposit or transfer. So after you select transfer, you deposit or withdraw. Select the withdraw option, select crypto, select external wallet over here. So you have to select external wallet because we're trying to transfer to Cash App. Once done, select Bitcoin because Cash App only accepts Bitcoin, obviously. So you select Bitcoin and then you paste the wallet address that we just copied from Cash App right here. You can also put a wallet name and hit the continue button. Once you've done the continue button, it will ask to check your email to confirm it. So once you confirm with your email, you'll be able to confirm the withdrawal address. And once done, you can just hit the withdraw button and then just click on withdraw, and the crypto will be transferred to your Cash App from crypto.com. This way you can withdraw money from crypto.com to Cash App. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.